Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine. Friends, today's topic was a very requested one because one of my subscriber from YouTube is coming to the US. She just got married and she said, what are the good things which I can come and process in a kitchen, and what and all do you need in an American kitchen? So these are the things which I feel that every Indian lady should have. So she is also coming from India, Bangalore. So she just messaged me and said, show me and where I can get and how, what and all things we require instantly when we come and when I have to set up a kitchen. So here are the some things which every lady should process when she's having her own apartment or a house or whatever. So this is the basic things which I recommend for every lady to have. So let's come into my kitchen. So the first thing I would recommend every lady should have in their kitchen is one air fryer, which is really very good and it takes less space, and in this you can do many things. Over here it says you can make fries, you can make steak, you can make chicken, you can bake a cake if you have the accessory for it. Then you can do meat and you can do bread too. So I feel that this is the best thing every lady should process an air fryer. So the next thing a lady should process in her kitchen is an electric kettle, because if she needs to make a cup of chai or a cup of tea and cup of coffee in an instant, this is the best thing. Just boil the water and have it for your chai, and when you have to make rice and all, the food comes out very quickly. So water kettle and hot water always saves time. And every lady should always process one rice cooker. This is a very small rice cooker when you don't need much rice and you need to make only for 2 persons. This rice cooker is really good and it cooks 1 cup of rice and it's mostly sufficient for the kiddos. So I feel every lady should have one rice cooker too. And the other thing is always have an instant pot, because the lentils, fried rice and vegetables, chicken get cooked so fast, and it has so many features. It has soup broth, meat stew, bean chili, slow cook, saute, pressure level, delay start, keep warm, cancel, pressure cook, and yogurt. And in the yogurt comes out so well. I just love it. And you can steam of your porridge of your and make rice. I've showed you so many times, and rice instant pot is the best thing. Here are the grocery bags. You can keep like tomatoes and cauliflower, garlic, ginger, and it has nice bags, and these you can take even while going for shopping also. Put ginger, garlic, tomatoes, everything, and apples, fruits and all. They stay fresh and you don't have to keep plastic bags, and they come in big sizes. They come in small sizes. They come in half of the bag sizes, so they are really very good. And the copper vessel water, I have posted one video about saying how copper vessel water is good for your weight and your skin and all. So this is also a must, and all the impurities of your body and impurities of any bad diseases can be curbed off with drinking copper vessel water at nights. And this is an hot case where you can just make your tortillas and keep it in here. The tortilla stays warm for at least 2 hours. So I really love this, and I bought this from India. And this is a Copper Chef. It's an electrical griddle, and it makes very good pasta, very good fried rices and all. And if you have a lot of things, you can, and if you have a large family of 6, this is the best thing to own. And this is my favorite rolling pin. If I don't have this rolling pin, I just cannot make tortillas. So this is from India, and it is all attached together. It doesn't move and shake until I don't roll it. So it's a very compact one, and I cannot be without this. So these are the things which I would recommend, and these things have helped me a lot. And the rest you can just come and set up according to your need, what you need, and you don't have to buy expensive jars and all. Whatever the bottles and all you get, you can recycle. You can use them in storing all your lentils and all. And everything comes in a bag. You can just have some rubber bands and just tie it on the top and leave it in the packet itself. So that helps. So I hope all these things will help you. And okay, if you have liked my video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.